We live in the loudest generation in human history. Notifications never sleep. Opinions never end. Comparisons never stop. Yet, the greatest crisis today is not happening outside of us. It's happening inside the human mind. Now, what is this noise I'm talking about? It's not just sound. It's the endless scrolling through feeds that leave you feeling empty. It's the constant comparison to others that makes you feel like you're not enough. It's the pressure to be available 24/7, the fear of missing out on something, and the weight of other people's expectations. A noisy world creates a crowded mind, and when your mind is overloaded, focus disappears, anxiety creeps in, creativity dies. Peace feels like a distant, unreachable dream. We don't lack time, we lack mental space. The human mind wasn't designed for this level of constant stimulation. It was designed for depth, for focus, for quiet contemplation. But today, we consume far more than we reflect. We react more than we respond. We compare more than we create. Your freedom isn't lost. It's just buried under all that noise. So, what is mental freedom? It's not about escaping life. It doesn't mean quitting your responsibilities, ignoring the world, or living in isolation. True mental freedom means choosing what deserves your attention. It means taking control of your inner world, so you can respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Your attention is your greatest asset. Think about it. Whatever you give your attention to grows in power. It shapes your emotions and ultimately becomes your reality. If you don't control your attention, someone else will. This is where silence comes in. For many, silence is uncomfortable because it forces you to meet yourself with all your thoughts and feelings. But silence is where clarity is born. It's where healing begins. It's where your true identity becomes clear. A mind that never rests cannot heal. Let's talk about comparison. It is mental imprisonment. You're measuring your messy, behind-the-scenes reality against someone else's perfectly curated highlight reel. Freedom begins the moment you realize this truth. You are not late. You are not behind. You are on your own unique path. To find that freedom, you need to create mental boundaries. This means limiting your digital noise. It means protecting your quiet time. It means choosing depth over the cheap thrill of a dopamine hit. It means learning to say no without feeling guilty. Boundaries aren't selfish. They are an act of self-respect. Mental freedom isn't something you achieve in a single moment. It's a daily practice. Simple habits like a few minutes of stillness, journaling your thoughts, reflecting on your day, engaging in focused work without distractions, and practicing intentional rest can build a strong, resilient mind. Small practices, done consistently, create incredible strength. Ultimately, this is about choosing your identity over outside input. Stop asking, "What do they think of me?" and start asking, "Who am I becoming?" A clear sense of self acts like a filter, cutting right through the noise. The world is not going to get quieter, but you can. You don't need a new life. You need a new relationship with your own mind. Because in this noisy world, the most powerful person isn't the loudest one. It's the calmest one. Mental freedom is not found by escaping the world. It is found by mastering your inner one. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more content on building a calmer, stronger mind.